Key replacement. It's one thing just to say you're going to get key replacement, and that's 1 year's worth of key replacement. By the way, how many keys will we replace during that 1 year?
Two.
Yeah, we'll replace 2. But you have to create context. For a customer like me, who has lost key fobs and paid to have them replaced, one time I turned in a lease car with only 1 key fob, and they charged me $400. Another time I lost I told them the story the other day in May. I flew off, left my car at the airport. When I got back somewhere between Sarasota and Greensboro, the key fob disappeared. So I had to take a Uber ride, $55 Uber ride home to get the other key, $55 Uber ride back. Then I go to the dealership, paid $375 to have the key, the fob replaced and reprogrammed. So it was $485. So you tell me about key replacement, I get it, okay? And that's why I always ask the customer if they've ever had any experience replacing, because if they have, it's going to be an easy, quick value building conversation. But most people, when they lose a key fob, they don't replace them. They just take better care of their last key fob. There's still a large portion of our population out there who thinks they can go to Home Depot and get a new key cut for like $5. So we have to educate. So if I say, Eddie, have you ever lost a key fob? Say yes.
Yes.
Then I'll say, did you pay to have it replaced? Say no.
No.
Did you even look into it?
No.
Okay. You're like most people, Eddie. Most people, when they lose a key fob, they take better care of their last key fob. They don't even look into what it would cost to replace. However, this has multiple chips in it and requires programming. By definition, that makes it a computer, right?
Correct.
It is literally a computer. So these cost anywhere from $250 to $600 or $700 to replace, including programming. All right, you didn't know that, and most people don't. However, if you've lost a key fob in the past, you ended up paying for it. Do you know how?
On the value of your vehicle.
Well, yeah, when you go trade the car,
When you go trade
resale value.
Resale value or trade-in value. If you've only got 1 key, someone's going to deduct from the value of your vehicle
Correct.
$200, $300, $400, $500, $600. So, because you're buying a vehicle from MotorTrend Certified, you don't need to worry about that. Okay, we're going to provide you 1 year of complimentary coverage. And by the way, during that first year, we'll replace up to 2 of these. If you lose an entire key ring, we'll throw in another $200 for other keys. You need an Uber or a Lyft ride, we'll pay for those. You need a tow, we'll pay for that. You need a locksmith to unlock your vehicle, we'll pay for that. And by the way, Eddie, if you plan on keeping your car more than 1 year, make sure you check with William or Edgar, one of our finance managers. They'll show you how to stretch this coverage out to 3, 4, even 5 years. That's how you want to present it. If you don't, the customers, again, I'll see value in it because I'm one of the few that's paid for a key fob multiple times.
The good thing is to align yourself with the customer and let them know that it happened to you.
Well, yeah, it's the truth.
Yeah.